So guys, before we replace this one, I just wanna check what's wrong with it. So I connected it on its connection, and this one connect it. Then let's see. So the passenger side is working, and let's see for this one, driver side. See that? It's weak. Going down is it's okay, but going up it's like a grinding inside this motor. So it's getting weak, so I think it needs replacement. So let's replace this one. You know what, let's just open this. I think we can open it. Let's see what's why it's there's. Ooh, look at that. Oh, okay. The rubber is already broken. Okay. Yeah, I think it's really need replacement. But you know what? It's not. So guys, I just removed this clip. Then let's remove this one. And also this one. I'm just curious what's inside. Oh my god. Oh, it's plastic. And this one too. I think the gear is broken. There you go. Whoopsie. Let's check the gear. Oh yeah. I think the problem is this, the gear. It's already worn. Anyway, let's just get a new one or a used one. Let's see how the customer gonna gonna decide if you're gonna buy a brand new one, because a brand new one worth $250, more than $250. But this one on the junkyard, it only costs 120, I think. So guys, I end up buying parts from the junkyard. Guys, this is really hard to find. I think this is the first generation of Honda Odyssey, and then I went to a couple of auto parts store and they don't have it. Online, guys, is like around $250 plus shipping, taxes, etc. So it might be around more than $300 Canadian dollar. And this one, guys, it's also expensive, and they're not just selling the motor. You have to buy the whole thing, the whole assembly. So it's really expensive, guys. But oh well, what can we do? So it's assembly. So I'm gonna check if it's working. So So guys, let's test it's gonna work. So let's see this. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Oops. Nice. Okay, let me check the position. So I just take a picture a while ago. So the outside, so it should be on the, hold on, it should be the other way, or in here. So it should be one, so on the third teeth, 1 2 3. I think that my battery is going down, it's getting low. There you go. Alright guys, let's install this. So up. So let's start with this. Go in there. Oh yeah, there you go. And then bracket. So I'm gonna start with the bracket. So just hand tight guys. Now guys, guys, I already aligned it, so it took me a few minutes to do it. So I already bolt this one, but I haven't tied it yet, so I got 2 more bolts in here. And as you can see, this is where I going to connect the glass. So that's my glass, it's all the way up. Now I'm just gonna push it down, and you can see it from here. So that's how I do it. Same thing on this side, but it's so hard to see it guys. So basically it's done. Just gonna install that guys. I already bolt this one. Nice, almost there. Now there's 4 bolts in here. Nice. So I already bolt the bracket for the window glass. So there was like 2 bolts guys, one in here and one over here. I don't know if you could let me lift it a little or lower it down. So right there. And also this one had a broken bracket, so I put GB weld on it, but I already told to the customer that in the future they had to change this glass, because the bracket comes with the glass. As you can see in here, you cannot just buy this bracket. It comes with the glass. So guys, that's pretty much it, guys. I was gonna put back the cover. The procedure of putting it back is just pretty straightforward, guys, so I'm not gonna show you that anymore, and I will just gonna show you after I put back this cover, and then I will show you the, but anyway, I can actually I can show it to you now, guys. It's working now. Look at, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's it, guys. If you had any question, any suggestion, guys, please comment down below, and guys, consider like also subscribe and like my channel. So that's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.